Hello, my name is Lorenzo Bayona Lopez. I'm the gaia1269, and in this video I'm gonna talk about my Pro-xperiment, about prevent nuclear terror, but from a different point of view. Normally, if you think about how to prevent nuclear terror, the logical thing is would be not using nuclear energy, but I want to offer an innovative solution, an innovative vision, based on several opinions, like Chris Wood, who said that the green movement must learn to love nuclear power, or Professor Cory Bradshaw, who said many so-called green organizations and individuals, including scientists, have avoided or actively lobbied against problem zero emission technologies like nuclear energy because they associate it with a negative stigma. So my position is to bet on the normalization of this kind of energy, learning about that, using about the positive aspect of it, and this will make that people will stop being afraid about nuclear energy. A secondary objective of my Pro-xperiment, I would like to use this positive aspect to include nuclear energy in a smart city. Following the structure of my work, of my Pro-xperiment, the first point would be the introduction of nuclear energy. The nuclear energy is obtained from the nucleus of the atom, and it was discovered in the early 20th century. Nuclear energy has been used for many applications, but the most famous and sadly applications are the use of the bombs, such as Nagasaki and Hiroshima and the Chernobyl accident. And this has created certain stigmas over the population towards this kind of energy, but I think that not everything is black or is white. The use of nuclear energy has advantages, such as it produces a lot of energy in very little space compared to the renewable energy that they need a lot of space, and they are not as efficient as nuclear energy, and it depends on the sun or on the wind. And another advantage would be that they don't generate carbon dioxide, since a nuclear plant works when the uranium starts to fission, heating the water and moving a turbine that generates electricity. But the only thing that produces a nuclear plant is energy, steam, and radioactivity waste. And on the other hand, the disadvantage would be that the manufacturer of the nuclear plant and the logistic generates a lot of carbon dioxide, and the radioactive waste is obviously generated and is quite harmful. The main drawback is this radioactivity of the nuclear energy, what is quite dangerous, but is the first point to solve this drawback would be define a legislation or laws that prevents the undue proliferation of its use, and defining the action framework that are explained in my Pro-xperiment. Preventing is quite important to avoid nuclear terror, but if correcting the disadvantage generated of the nuclear energy, correcting this disadvantage, it would be a way to prevent nuclear terror. But the solution could be that using other materials like thorium that doesn't generate radioactivity, or they is not possible to use it in order to make bombs. Or other solution could be trying to solve the problem of fusion and fission, because right now we cannot fusion atoms. Other solution would be using a logistic theory model, in which carbon dioxide is not generated. So the solution is based on turning the disadvantage into advantage, using the advantage of nuclear energy and making the nuclear energy not dangerous I think that it would be the perfect way to prevent nuclear terror. So if you want more information, you can read my Pro-xperiment. You can write me down in the box below, or write me an email if you think. So I hope that you enjoy, and that's all. Kind regards.